Talking to your neighbor in America. Small talk. Practice friendly, everyday English conversation. Moving to a new place can feel exciting and a little awkward too. One of the first things Americans usually do is make small talk with their neighbors. Today, you'll learn how to sound friendly, relaxed, and natural when meeting someone in your building for the first time. This is real casual English people use every day in America. So imagine you just moved into a new apartment, and someone from next door says hello. Let's practice together. Meeting your neighbor. Hi, I just moved in next door. Oh wow, welcome to the building. I'm Sarah, by the way. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Michael. Nice to meet you too. Did you just move in today? Yeah, this morning actually. I've been carrying boxes all day. I remember that feeling. Moving is exhausting. Seriously, I'm already tired. Friendly small talk. So, where are you from originally? I'm from India, but I've been here for about 3 months now. That's awesome. How are you liking the area so far? Honestly, I really like it. Everything feels pretty peaceful here, and everyone's been really friendly. Yeah, most people in this building are super nice. That's good to hear. I was a little nervous about moving. Totally understandable, but I think you'll enjoy living here. Learning about the building. If you ever need anything, just knock on my door. That's really kind of you. Thanks, I appreciate it. Of course. Oh, and by the way, trash pickup is Tuesday morning. Good to know. I probably would have missed that. Yeah, a lot of new people do. Is there anything else I should know about? Well, the laundry room is in the basement, and it gets really busy on weekends, so it's better to do laundry during the week if you can. That's actually a great tip. Thanks. No problem. Also, the parking situation can get a little crazy at night. Good thing I only have one car. You'll be fine then. Ending the conversation. Anyway, welcome again. Thanks, I'm really happy to be here. Maybe I'll see you around sometime. Definitely, and if you need restaurant recommendations, let me know. Oh, I'd love that. I still don't know the area very well. There's a really good coffee shop around the corner. Perfect! I'll check it out tomorrow. Sounds good. All right, I'll let you finish unpacking. Thanks again, Sarah. See you around. See you! Natural speed practice. Hi, I just moved in next door. Welcome to the building. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? Originally from India. How are you liking the area so far? It's really nice. Everyone's been friendly. If you ever need anything, just knock. That's so kind of you. Trash pickup is Tuesday morning. Good to know. The laundry room is in the basement. It gets busy on weekends. Thanks for the tip. No problem. See you around. Great job today. Small talk may seem simple, but it's one of the most important parts of sounding natural in English. The more casual conversations you practice, the easier it becomes to make friends and feel comfortable speaking in America. So keep practicing out loud every day. Don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on sounding relaxed, friendly, and confident. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more real-life American English. Comment "Neighbor done" if you practice today, and tell me what conversation you want next. Meeting co-workers? Talking at the gym? Grocery store English? Uber conversation? Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.